Now we discuss Ostwald process for manufacture of nitric acid. Ostwald process. In this process, nitric acid is prepared by catalytic oxidation of ammonia. Catalytic oxidation means in presence of catalyst. In this process, nitric acid is prepared by catalytic oxidation of ammonia. It involves following three steps. Very first step, catalytic oxidation of ammonia. A mixture of dry ammonia and dry air in the ratio of 1:8 by volume is compressed and then sent into a platinum gauge which act as a catalyst at about 800 degrees centigrade. Here, the mixture of ammonia and air in the ratio of 1:8 by volume is passed in this catalytic chamber which contains platinum gauge which act as a catalyst. 90% of ammonia get oxidized to nitric oxide. Here ammonia on oxidation gives nitric oxide NO and 6 molecules of water. 4NH3 plus 5O2 is equal to 4NO plus 6H2O. Heat is evolved, means this reaction is exothermic. So in first step, catalytic oxidation of ammonia takes place and we obtain nitric oxide. Number 2, oxidation of nitric oxide. This is called oxidation chamber. And third, it is called absorbing tower. We obtain nitric oxide. This nitric oxide is sent to the cooler and then it is sent to the oxidizing chamber. Here, the nitric oxide form is sent to the oxidation chamber along with the remaining oxygen. It changes into nitrogen dioxide about 50 degrees centigrade. When the mixture of nitric oxide and oxygen is passed in oxidizing chamber, we obtain nitrogen dioxide or nitrogen peroxide. Step number 3. Absorption of nitrogen dioxide in water. These nitrogen dioxide then sent to the absorbing tower which is filled with acid-proof stones. Water trickles down the tower, reacts with NO2 to form nitric acid. Here, this NO2 goes to the absorbing tower. It is filled with acid-proof stones. The water trickles, reacts with nitrogen dioxide and forms nitric acid which is near about 50% concentrate. On further distillation, we obtain 68% concentrated nitric acid. The reaction involved is 4NH3 plus 5O2 is equal to 4NO plus 6H2O. Number 2, 2NO plus O2 is equal to 2NO2, and last 3NO2 plus H2O gives rise 2 molecules of nitric acid plus 1 molecule of nitric oxide.